Guys, good morning. Welcome to my our new vlog. Me and Kiana is actually busy with our Saturday work. I believe she haven't drove a cycle for a long time, so we need to came down to get it repaired. First, we went to T-Mart to get our household stuffs, and now we are here. Now we are here and getting our cycle fixed. The mechanics is checking the cycle. Like it's a puncture or what happened with the tube which is inside the tire. Let's see what is the conclusion all about. Tube is already gone. As per we have already changed the rear tube day before yesterday, but not sure. My daughter haven't drove a cycle for a pretty long time. Like we went to Calcutta and she haven't got a chance to drove a cycle, but somehow when she drove it there was no air at all, and which I believe caused this thing. Tube which need to be fitted inside our tire. That's how he's inflating the tire first, and he will check with the water that if there is any leakage or not. That's what he's checking there. Once done, he will fit the tire inside the cycle. We have checked the new tube, which is fine. Fitting charges plus the tube cost is 150 rupees. He is a pretty old guy, a Bengali guy, of course. And he'll put it inside the tire and get the job done. That's what he's doing now. Cycle which my daughter got gifted in her on her birthday. Her grandfather gifted this cycle to her. She rarely drive it. She's scared about driving the cycle. So that's my daughter. Cycle. Now the cycle is relaxing inside my car. Okay, Kiana, move aside. Close the door, Kiana. Okay. He's busy driving her cycle. The day was really tiresome, so we repaired the cycle. We came back home, took shower, and then we fall asleep. Actually, I forgot to end the video, so doing it right away. So if you like my video, please hit on like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Have a great day ahead.